to my channel, everyone. For those who are new, my name is Rumill, and today I'm just gonna do like a chit chat, get ready with me, wash and go edition. I washed my hair about 3 days ago and I've just been wearing it in this bun because this is how I always wear my hair, and it's just easy to get through life with it like this. But I've had a lot of people ask me, what products do you use? How do you get your hair like that? So I'm here to do an updated routine. Also, I know you see the sweatshirt. Follow it on Instagram, TRESSES. It's my good friend. She does bomb hair in Atlanta. This is what my hair is looking like. Looks like this. Kind of matted, honestly. I haven't combed it. Christmas list 2021. I want a continuous spray bottle. Or I might just buy it after this video, but I didn't realize that it just helps with your wash and goes and they make it really easy. So I've heard, so I kind of want one. In the meantime, this is what I use, just water. There's no oils or anything in it. I just put my hair, section it off. This is like, I usually do it like right here, or sometimes I start at the nape, but in real life, when I'm on the go, I don't really start at the nape. So I'm trying to make this video as realistic as possible for you guys. So section off and then spray your hair. And get your hair drenched. Like, it needs to look like you literally just got out the shower. If you want to put like a towel around your neck, that'd be great. Or not, like me. As I wet it up, this is what it looks like. Okay, so after you add your water to your section, you want to use like a leave-in or some type of like moisturizer to just get your hair nice and moisturized. By the way, I am not a licensed professional. I am a licensed esthetician, but not a cosmetologist. Okay, I'm using Mielle leave-in conditioner. This stuff is bomb. Like, can we get a bigger bottle? Because I just bought this like 2 weeks ago and it's already getting low. So put a generous amount on your hands and just finger comb it through like so. Look at that. It literally brings my hair to life. Like, do you see this? I'm dead. Wow. Wow. I mean, wow. Like, you guys, like, I didn't pause it. You saw it. You saw the magic. Oh, I love this stuff. After you add in the leave-in, I take my COILY CUSTARD by Miss JESSIES. And you can get this at Target. I've seen it at Walmart and I think Sally's too. I love this. Like, if I could get sponsored, that'd be great, because I swear. So then I just take some, and this is really gonna just hold in the look, really clump those curls together. Ah, love it already. If I'm gonna be rocking this wash and go for like 5 days, I go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'll put a little bit on to kind of just make sure the curls really hold. So take some, I put it on. I know some people are like against this, but I like my curls to be defined, because by day 2, you wake up, you still want them to look good. Then I go back in and I just section off another piece. So I guess if I had the continuous spray, I guess I'd just be like, shh, and it would do it all for me. But yeah, my thumb is low-key getting tired. So that's okay. I've added my water. Now I take my wide tooth comb and just comb through, because your girl hasn't detangled her hair. Sorry. See, I'm already running out. Look at my shirt. We're halfway through. So I just take my Denman brush and I kind of just comb through. Make sure that product gets in there. Okay, you guys, so we're about almost done. This last part here, it's not last part, but I take these two and I split them off. Honestly, depending on my mood, I'm either gonna wet this bad boy up in full or I'm gonna split it, but for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna split it. So I actually am gonna split it. I'm gonna split because it's actually thick. Curls are coming together. You just comb. Make sure you get out all the tangles. Distribute the product. I promise you, it's gonna give you a great look in the end. Look, I'm dead. Guys, so this is the last piece. I've tried a lot of products throughout my natural journey, and honestly, it's all trial and error. That's just one thing that I've learned. You come on YouTube, you watch these videos, and you're like, wow, oh, her hair is like mine. That product is so gonna work for me. You buy it, you take it home, and your hair is like, I don't like this. Don't get upset if your hair doesn't respond to these products that work for me. I know something that's really popular on here is, or at one point was, As I Am. My hair doesn't like As I Am, and I wish it did because it smells amazing. Everyone's using it. It's just like the trend, right? But my hair doesn't respond to it. So it took me a while to try out Mielle. Am I saying that right? Mielle? It took me a minute to finally get products that I will actually continue to keep buying. Like Mielle is it for me. Camille Rose did not work for me. Diva Curl did not work for me. Carol's Daughter, that one's worked, but it didn't work enough because clearly I'm not still with it. This is pretty much the final look. This side's still wetter than this side, so it has to dry. You can either go on with your day. This is usually what I do. I just go on with my day and let my hair air dry. Some days I want to spice it up and have lots of volume, so I just grab my blow dryer, put my diffuser on, and okay, you guys, so that's literally it. That's all I do. My hair is still damp, 65% wet, but I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to disturb the curls. I'm still kind of getting good with my blow dryer. I usually wait until my hair is 100% dry before I try to stretch it out and give me some more length and volume, because if I were to do it now, literally all my hard work would go down the drain because I don't know how to do it that well. But I love this look too. This is what the back looks like. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to stay tuned for my next one, and I hope you have a good day.